Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. A plan by the US Federal Reserve to wind down its massive bond buying program pushed the US dollar higher Monday in Asia, which in turn drove up the Japanese stock market. The Nikkei stock average welcomed the weaker yen by rising 1.0% after earlier hitting its highest level since January 2008. The major economic news scheduled for release in Asia will be from China, with the region's largest economy providing April data on industrial output, retail sales and fixed asset investment. Chinese stocks were lower ahead of the data, with the Hang Seng Index losing 1% in Hong Kong and the Shanghai Composite Index 0.2% lower in mainland China. Australia's ASX 200 dropped 0.2% and South Korea's Kospi was flat. The dollar was trading close to 11 months high against the Australian dollar after it crossed the symbolic 1-to-1 threshold, with the Australian dollar trading slightly below $1. The pair crossed that mark on Friday for the first time since June. The yen weakened to 101.88 per dollar from 101.64 late Friday in New York. The US dollar breached the 100 yen mark for the first time in 4 years at the end of last week and continued to move higher after Japan avoided criticism at the Group of Seven meeting over the weekend. The Australian dollar was last at $0.9972. The currency has been weak since the Reserve Bank of Australia surprised markets last week Tuesday by reducing interest rates to a record low. Monday is a slow day for scheduled economic news in Europe, which means that today's retail sales report for the US will receive close attention. US retail sales 12:30 GMT. Today's update on consumer spending is expected to raise fresh doubts about the US economy. The consensus forecast sees retail sales falling 0.3% in the April report. Another retreat for spending would mark the first back-to-back set of monthly declines in nearly a year. Retail sales may stay wobbly, but the recent round of upbeat news for the labor market will dampen the worst fears. Payrolls in April increased more than expected and jobless claims fell again last week to another 5-year low. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.